Hello, my name is Orrin Svika, and I am a tutor here at Lakeland. And today I'm going to help you out with the calculator. So today I'll be using the TI-84 Plus, and this is usually the one your instructor requires. So we press Alpha and F1. That gives us some values here. What that gives us is n over d, which is just fractional notation, numerator over denominator. And that's useful for when you want to put in a fraction instead of using like a decimal, for example. So if I had, for instance, 2 divided by 3, right, that inputs it into a decimal. Say I wanted to use the fractional version here. So I do alpha F1 and I press n over d, so I'll press enter here. Now I have it in the form of numerator over denominator, the 2 over 3. Say I wanted to add that with alpha F1, 1 over 3, enter. And that gives me 1/3 plus 2/3, which is 3 over 3, which is 1. So that is pretty much what I have today. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope it has helped you.